The Notre Dame Innovation Lab is thrilled to have been selected as the first academic site in the U.S. for an installation of a Stratasys F770. The reason to go with these professional-grade machines is, number one, the part quality is going to be high, the strength is going to be fantastic, and overall, in the long run, you will spend less money on a professional-grade machine than you will on a consumer-grade machine.
3D printing has revolutionized my engineering experience as a student. So now for senior design, for example, instead of taking weeks to get a part in the mail, we can just wait hours.
Not having access to 3D printing would certainly be considered a negative at any sort of university that's under consideration.
I've stayed in this spot because they have things like the Stratasys 370 and Stratasys 770 now, where I can prototype super fast. And now that we have the 770, it's just kind of blown away all the walls that were existing, and there are no limitations.